crucial talks, possibly the final one between the representatives of NSCN-IM and Government of India began at 2 p.m. today in New Delhi, sources informed. A 15-member team of National Socialist Council of Nagaland Isak Muiva, led by Ato Kilonsar Th Muiva, the General Secretary of the Naga outfit, is taking part in the meeting. Expectations are high that today's talks would shape the final outcome of the decades-old Naga political problem. As the crucial meeting is going on, there is an intermingling of both elation and apprehension among sections of people in Nagaland, media reported. As the deadline set by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to conclude the endless and prolonged negotiations of 22 long years is reached, there is a sense of relief that the bloody chapter will end and a new chapter of peace will begin. The Naga Ho-Ho has appealed to the Government of India that the final solution should be inclusive of all parties concerned, that there should not be further division arising out of piecemeal agreement, according to media reports. A mammoth alert public meeting on the Indo-Naga Peace Accord is underway at Singjamai Bazaar, Imphal, organized by the Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity and Singjamai Apunba Nupilup. People from all walks of life earlier in the day gathered at the historic Khairamban market, from where they took out a public alert rally amid tight security. Under the aegis of Manipur International Textile Expo, Department of Textiles, Commerce and Industry, Government of Manipur today organized a Manitex cycle rally. Manipur Textile and Commerce Minister Th Biswajit flagged off the rally from the City Convention Centre, Imphal. A 15-day induction training of National Youth Volunteers 2019 organized by Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan Visnupur under the aegis of Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India has kick-started at Diocesan Social Service Society, Manipuri today. Altogether, 40 individuals from Ukhrul, Senapati and Bishnupur districts are taking part in the training program. The second state-level Banana Festival 2019 was held at None Part 1 today. On the occasion, Manipur Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar inaugurated a district library. The library was constructed under Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation, Kolkata, in association with Department of Art and Culture, Government of Manipur. Based on a reliable information, a combined team of Imphalist Commando and 15 Assam Rifles, under the supervision of Deputy Superintendent of Police, Commando Imphal East, K.H. Herojit, arrested an active cadre of proscribed KCP from Yumnam Patlau Thongkhong yesterday. As per reports, the cadre is identified as 37-year-old Soibam Manglemnganba Mitai of Yumnam Patlau Maninglaikai. A team of Babu Bazar BDF post led by Sub-Inspector Y. Anil Kumar Singh seized 45 boxes of illegal wind cigarettes of foreign origin at around 10 this morning. The arrested has been identified as Muhammad Hasim, aged 47 years, son of late Muhammad Fazuma of Moizing Mina Bazar. The arrested, along with the seized items, has been handed over to Thoubal Police Station for further necessary action, a report said. National Disaster Response Force, in collaboration with the League of Callow Patriots Club, organized a one-day cleanliness awareness drive at Ningthem Pukri Mapal Road, Imphal today. Around 150 people took part in the cleanliness drive. Another report of firing has been reported from Noklak district of Nagaland today morning. Not even a day after the standoff between Assam Rifles and NSCN-K Yung Ayung faction at Chenloiso village under Mon district, reports of another exchange of fire between unknown miscreants and Assam Rifles at ITC Pangsa village, which lies at the international border, are now coming in. Tuensang Superintendent confirmed that one incident has been reported that at around 2 a.m. today, there has been an incident at the International Trade Center, Pangsha village under Noklak district of Nagaland. Counting of votes has begun today for 51 assembly seats and 2 Lok Sabha constituencies spread across 18 states where by-elections were held 2 days ago. The states where by-polls were held are Sikkim 3 seats, Punjab 4 seats, Kerala 5 seats, Rajasthan 2 seats and 1 seat each in Arunachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Puducherry, Meghalaya and Telangana.